Sir. So in this video, I'm just going to show you the output of my project, which is the price checker system or price verifier system for a supermarket. So the programming language that I used for this one is the C# on Visual Studio 2019 Windows Form App .NET Framework, and the database is My SQL Workbench. So I've already added some datas here, and I'm going to use also a barcode scanner here. So this is a USB type barcode scanner. So mostly also this is used for the supermarkets to scan the barcode of the groceries. So let me just plug in this one to my laptop. So there, it's already working, and I had products here. So there, this products is already registered to my database. So this is the design of the system. So I'm going to scan the barcode of this one. The price and the details should display to this form. So I'm going to scan that one just like that. So there, it displays the price. So here in the product details, this is the description or your original 133 grams. So this is a per piece, and the company is one. So again, I had another product here. So this is a Colgate triple action. So I'm going to scan the barcode, that one. So there it also displays the price and the details. And again, another product here. Scan that one. So there. So what if I scan a barcode that is not registered or not included to the database here, or to this one? The system simply displays not found. So example for this one, this is not registered to the database. I'm going to scan the barcode, simply displays not found because this one is not included to the database. So let me just register this one, and we're going to rescan it again. So here I'm just going to put the ID 9, and then scan the barcode of this one, and then put the description. This is a safeguard soap, floral pink, aloe. This is a 130 gram, and then let me just put a peso sign, Philippine peso there, and then this is 45 pesos, let me say. So I just put in not available company for this time, and then this is a per piece, and then let me just put discount rate 0 there, and then click this apply to apply, and then finish, and then go back to the form, and then now we're going to scan this one. So there, it displays the details that we inputted to our database. So that's how this price checker or price verifier works. So thank you very much for watching.